Hi there, Eric here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add a resource to our team teachers open and free resources for teaching online. It's very easy. All you have to do, for an example, to add your resource to the app, which looks like this, I'm going to add one in this example called orientation. You can add other things like teaching methods or personal teaching experiences online for all us to share and grow together. But all you have to do really is fill out a Google form. Most of you have done this already. So after you watch this video, you'll come down to the bottom, click Next. You'll go through these pages filling out this information. One required thing is your email address. Next one is share email. This just means if you want to have your email listed as a part of this reference in the app so people can contact you with questions or follow-ups. You'll need your name, starting with your first and last name, and a picture and a website. This is for people to find you and know a little bit about you. You don't have to add these things, but they're just links to images. So I'm just going to go pop over to a website I found earlier. I'm going to copy the image address by right-clicking on it, going back, and just adding that link. So all it is a URL and a website so people can find more information about you. Again, this is not for the resource per se, but about you as the author. Then you don't have to enter those, and you go to the next. Oops, I forgot to add the .com here. Next is the title of this resource or teaching tutorial or teaching method. This is completely up to you. Since I'm going to be showing a new tool, I'm going to go to the website and just copy the name, which is called orientation. A description, which is also right off the website. If you're having a teaching method, just to have a few brief words or sentences about your experience or the teaching method that you're looking to introduce. You'll enter the category. This is a teaching tool introduction. Then there's some categories for us to help us better understand what the tool is about or what your teaching method is. Depending on what you enter, you'll have different options here. This is about immersive learning. Go to the next. Next, there are just three more to enter. One for the thumbnail. Again, this is a link to an image. So I'm just going to find an image on this website. Here's one. I'll copy the image for that. I'll go back and paste that image link. Again, this is a URL, a resource. This is the actual link to find more information about this resource. And you can actually show a tutorial video in the app. So if you've recorded your own video about this, if it's a tutorial that you made and it's on YouTube or Vimeo or any other video sharing service, this will show up directly in the app, youtube.909090. Right then, click submit, and you're done. Thanks for contributing to the Team Teachers database. We all hope to learn and get better teaching online. See you next time.